Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to see your win rate and other stats on your Marvel Snap game. So first of all, of course, all you need to do if you don't have the Marvel Snap game on your phone, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and of course open the application, then log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, just go and sign in into or create an account, or you can even create your account with a Gmail if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. Then all you need to do, just go and open the application as I'm going to do right now if you want to go through the steps of this tutorial. So of course, the win rate and other stats on the Snap actually is currently unavailable. So when you open the application, that will be actually your main screen. And first of all, let me just tell you, if you want to play it on your PC, of course, I'll have a tutorial on this channel on how to do that. So just go check it out. So as I said, the stats or the win rate even specifically is currently unavailable on the game itself. But if you have an Android, I have a trick for you. You can see that with a file viewer. So just go to your game folder. You will find this probably on your Android folder. Just go to data, then just go to com.nvsgames.snap, go to files, then standalone, then states, then proud, then profile stat.json. And of course, toward that file, you will find actually the wins and the losses, the card played, and the opponent's coincidence, and even your snaps. So that's actually the only way for now to see your stats, because the stats are not yet available on the game. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.